lesson 46. This is about stories about a fraction of a group. All right. So I want you to listen. This is going to be a story problem using fractions. Okay? So listen to this story. The coach was very happy that 2/5 of her team, of her 30 players. Okay, so 2/5 of the 30 players, 2/5 of them scored a goal. The question is, how many players scored a goal? Now, it didn't tell us how many exactly scored a goal. They just told us that a fraction of it, 2/5 of it. Okay? Now, what I want you to see, very good, Eli. Okay? That's the most important thing that you see, which is what you wrote on your paper, is this right here. That's the most. So I'm going to show you an illustration, a way to do it first before you do it that way. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to break this up into 5 just because it's easier to break up a rectangle than a circle sometimes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to draw a circle, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 2/5 of how many players? Total.
30.
30. So this whole thing makes up 30 players, right? Okay. So go on and do the math that you were doing on your paper, okay? You wrote down 30 divided by 5, which was excellent thought. And it actually goes in evenly. 5 times what equals 30?
6.
6. Okay, so watch this. Okay, so watch this. So I broke up 30 in 5 different places, and how many players are in each category?
6.
6. So watch this. Okay, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 30. Okay, but we wanted to know that 2 of the 5 out of 30 players scored a goal. So how many people scored a goal?
12.
12. Isn't that cool how you figured that out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Without any knowledge of how many players scored a goal, you figured it out based on a fraction they gave you. That was really cool. So 12 is exactly right. 6 plus 6 scored a goal. 12 of them. Okay? How many did not score a goal? 6 3 times. 18. Okay? So 12 scored a goal and 18 did not, which equaled 30 total. Okay? Let's try another one, and then I'm going to let you do one by yourself. All right? First, you write down all the important information. All right? Nia scored 2/3 of her team's 36 points. How many points did she score? So the whole team scored 36 points. But Nia scored 2/3 of them. Okay? So I'm going to draw an illustration. And how many pieces am I breaking this one up, Eli?
Oh, okay.
No, look at this. How many pieces am I breaking this up?
3.
Yes, that was the most important thing you could figure out in the very beginning. Okay, so I'm going to go in and break it up into 3s. All right? And how much points did all of them score?
36.
36. Okay? Now, you're doing the math right. You're going to take 36 and divide it by 3. So let's go in and do that. 3 will go into 3 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, bring down. 3 will go into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 0. So, 12 is our answer. So that means 12, 12, and 12. Because 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 36. Okay? So, how much did Nia score?
24 points.
Very good. She scored 2 out of the 3 on this chart. So 2 of them make up 24. 1 of them makes up 12. Very good. So everybody else on the team scored how much points?
12.
And how much did Nia score?
24.
All right. Ready? Last one. You're going to do this one on your paper on your own.
Okay.
Emily's cat ate 1/4 of the dozen fish fillets. What does dozen mean?
12.
Okay? So, Emily's cat ate 1/4 of the fish fillets. Okay?
Okay.
Now listen to this question. It's different.
Okay.
Here's what it asks. I'm going to leave it up here. How many fish fillets are or were left?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it just like, let's go in and draw a picture. How many I'm going to break it up into?
4.
Very good. Most important part. Whoops, I didn't quite organize that quite evenly. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, 4. And what is the total amount of fish fillets?
What do you mean?
Listen.
Oh, 12.
Yep.
Yeah.
She ate 1/4 of the dozen fish fillets. Okay. So what am I going to do to figure out how much is in each of these?
Divide?
Each. You will always listen for the word each when you're dividing. Okay. So I'm taking 12 and dividing it into how many spots?
4.
Okay. 12 divided by 4 is what?
12 divided.
12
What do you mean?
divided by 4.
Oh. That's what it did. Okay.
Is that what you're doing right now?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And it
That
will
would
go.
be 3.
Yes, very good. Okay, so the answer is 3. So watch this. Now, her cat ate 1/4 of them. So how much did the cat eat?
3.
Okay, but what's the question? How many fish fillets were left? Tricky. How many are left?
9.
9. Very good. 3, 6, 9. Excellent job. See how they tried to trick you?
Yeah.
Because all the other ones we've been answering for this one.
Uh-huh.
This one, we are answering for how many were left. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, excellent job. That's lesson 46.